Hi, I'm Keith from eMotors Direct, your go-to crew for industrial motors and VFDs in Canada. If you're looking to return something, swap it out, or file a warranty claim, you're in the right place. Stick with me. I'll walk you through exactly what to do. It's quick, painless, and straight to the point. At eMotors Direct, we believe in doing it right the first time. With over 50 years in the industrial motor space, we only distribute products we'd use ourselves. And we back that with a warranty and returns process that's transparent and fair. If we find a product isn't holding up for our customers, we take it off the site. Simple as that. Our team isn't here to slow you down. We're here to get you powered up, sorted out, and back to work without the runaround. Ready to start a return or warranty claim? First things first, head over to eMotorsDirect.ca and click that sign in button at the top right. Pop in your login info and boom, you're on your profile page. From here, click Purchases on the left-hand menu and then go to Purchase History. Find that order that you want to return, exchange, or file a claim for. Got it? Great. Hit Request Return on that order, fill out the form with your details, and click Submit. You just kicked off the process. Now, if you're submitting a warranty claim, heads up. We might need the product back for inspection. One of our team members will follow up with the instructions. Just so you know, less than 1% of the motors we ship have manufacturer defects. But if you're the unlucky 1%, we'll make it right. We'll email you with the next steps once your return or exchange is approved. When you pack the item, make sure it's unused and it's in its original packaging. That means any manuals, cables, or other parts that came with it, send it all back. Trust me, it'll speed things up. Also, print your return authorization and make sure that's tucked into the box. That ensures that we know who and where this package came from, and it expedites the return process. We'll also email you a shipping label. Print it, stick it on the box, and make sure it's on there securely so it gets to our warehouse safely. Refunds go back to your original payment method, and yep, there might be a restocking fee. Want to skip that fee? Do an exchange instead. We'll help you find the right replacement, no fee, no stress. Before you start a return or exchange, make sure you've checked out our conditions and exclusions. Customized or refurbished items, for example, may not be eligible. You'll find the full list on our site. And that's it. Returns, exchange, warranty claims. We've got you covered. It's quick, it's easy, and we're here to keep you motoring and your headaches minimal. Let's get it sorted. Quick, clean, and hassle-free.